Are you thinking of making money with affiliate marketing, specifically with Amazon products? Well, in this video, I'm going to uncover the truth about Amazon's affiliate program, the pros and the cons. Hey guys, my name is Chad and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that is all about bringing you all the tips, tools and resources you need to find success online. Now in this video, I'm going to be covering affiliate marketing, but specifically with Amazon's affiliate program, or otherwise known as Amazon Associates. Now the goal of this video is pretty much to give you a little more insight and information about Amazon's affiliate program so that you can make a more informed decision if it is the route that you want to take with your affiliate marketing business. So I'm going to uncover the goods and the bads, or rather the pros and the cons of the Amazon affiliate program. So let's get into it. Let's start with the goods or the pros. The first thing is that it is free and easy to become an affiliate for Amazon and partner with them. You could literally be signed up and good to go within a few minutes. So all you do is go to Amazon.com, that'll bring you to their homepage, and then you're going to scroll to the bottom of that page to this first little gray box right over here. And underneath where it says make money with us, click on become an affiliate. And when the next page opens up, in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see Amazon Associates. That's what they call their affiliate program. And at the bottom right over here, you can see 3 easy steps. All you need to do is sign up and you can start recommending and earning from your products that you promote. So if you click the sign up button right over here, that'll take you to the sign up form, fill in a few little details and you can get going. Now another pro is that Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, which means they've built a very solid brand for themselves. And there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people who actually trust them. They've got a really good reputation. And that's a really big thing when promoting products because your customers want to know that they are actually purchasing from a company that has that good reputation and that is trusted. And the third pro, this kind of couples in with the one that I just mentioned, is that Amazon, if you've ever purchased from Amazon, you would probably know that they have really good customer service, right? So when it comes to things like returning products or anything like that, their customer service team or their customer service department is really, really good. So you do know that your customers are in good hands once they actually make a purchase, and if there is anything after the purchase that they need support with or that they need help with. And the fourth pro is that, like I said, Amazon is the world's largest online retailer. So literally any niche that you go into or pretty much any product that you want to promote, for the most part, Amazon probably has it available on their platform or on their website. And once you are a member of Amazon's affiliate program, you can create custom links that take your customers to specific products on Amazon. So let's say there's a particular product that you want to promote, for example, a protein powder. If there's a particular protein powder that you are promoting to your customers, on Amazon's affiliate back office page, basically you can create custom links that take your customers to that exact product. It's not like it's one generic link that takes them to the Amazon homepage and then they need to search for the particular product. It's really well optimized and makes it a lot easier for you when it comes to promoting and actually getting those sales from your customers. And then number 5 on the good list is that Amazon has clearly spent a lot of money, I would even say possibly millions of dollars, into making sure that the buying process or the experience for all their customers are optimized as much as it possibly can be. So they've made it super, super easy for people to actually purchase on the website. If you think about it, if you've ever purchased from Amazon, they have various options. So for example, they have Amazon Prime, the super quick delivery. They've got the one-click buy where you can literally, it stores your details, one button, you click it, and your purchase is done. You know, they do a lot of upselling for you. That is when, if you're buying a particular product, so for example, going back to the example that I just mentioned about the protein powder, they would have a little section at the bottom of the page during the checkout process or the buying process suggesting other products that are frequently bought along with that particular protein powder. So it could be things like gym equipment, gear, other supplements, things like that. So they do a really good job of upselling every single customer that purchases from their website, which is good news for you because as an affiliate, you will make commissions off anything else as well that they've purchased at that point. So if you lead them to the link for your protein powder and they end up buying that protein powder, but they also purchase workout gloves or t-shirts or anything else in the cart, you as an affiliate are going to get commissions for those items as well. Okay, now onto the bads or the cons. I'm just calling them the bads, but think of it as pros and cons. These are the cons. The first thing is that Amazon's affiliate program doesn't offer the best in commissions for their affiliates, right? Generally, you're looking at an average of 4 to 5% per product, with a few products earning commissions of up to 10%. So if you take a look at this breakdown of the affiliate commission rates, these are basically what you're looking at. So for example, luxury beauty, those products earn 10%. If you're looking at digital music or, digital videos, that type of thing, you'd be earning 5%. Kitchen, physical books, kitchen and automotive gets you 4.5% commissions. And then obviously you can work your way down the list. If you want to take a look at this, you can pause the video or even screenshot it at this point so that you can see whatever niche you're in, what you kind of could be expecting for the products that you'd be promoting as an affiliate. One more thing that you want to pay attention to, if you are planning on promoting gift cards or wireless service plans, alcoholic beverages, that type of thing, this bottom row, you're not going to make much money. Actually, you're not going to make anything because those actually earn you 0% commissions. Just something to keep in mind. Number 2 on the cons list is that Amazon's cookie duration is only 24 hours. Now, if you don't know what a cookie is, basically every user or every customer that clicks on your link and goes to Amazon's page, they will be tracked for the next 24 hours. So if they don't make a purchase immediately at that point, at that first click, and they visit Amazon within the next 24 hours, basically, then you are still eligible for those commissions as well. But after 24 hours, if they revisit Amazon, but not through your affiliate link, and then they make a purchase, you won't then get those commissions. Now, 24 hours is really short for a cookie duration or a tracking duration. And there are certain affiliate programs out there that offer up to 90 days of this tracking duration. So that means if a customer goes to a site through your affiliate link, they are then tracked for 90 days if they don't refresh their browser history or anything like that. And the reason for that is because Amazon gets, hundreds of thousands of customers onto their site every single day. So chances are the customer that you've referred to Amazon for your product that you're promoting, within the next, 90 days or so, they probably are very likely to return to Amazon just to buy groceries or whatever it is. And if they were going to return anyway, that is why you as the affiliate will no longer then be getting those commissions, just because your customer would go back to Amazon anyway. And number 3 on the cons list is that when you sign up with Amazon as an affiliate, from the day that you sign up, you have 180 days to make 3 qualified sales. That is basically their review process. If you don't make those 3 sales within that 180 days, your affiliate account will be disabled. And number 4 on the cons list is that Amazon's affiliate program or Amazon Associates is not available in every country. So before just jumping in and wanting to sign up, just do a little bit of research to make sure that the country that you are currently in is eligible to actually be part and you can join the program. And number 5 on the cons list, now this one is, it might not be a big deal, it might be a big deal, but I thought it's worth mentioning anyway, is that Amazon does not pay their affiliates through PayPal. And the reason I'm mentioning this is because a lot of other affiliate programs out there, in fact, majority of affiliate programs actually do pay their affiliates through PayPal. It's just an easier way for them to actually make your commission payouts and stuff like that. But Amazon unfortunately does not. And number 6 on the cons list is, I think, a pretty big deal, because if you do want to make a success of affiliate marketing, you do need at least some guidance or some training on how to actually do it properly. Now, Amazon, as far as I've searched, does not offer any specific training or anything like that to actually help you be successful. You can be a part of the affiliate program, but when it comes to learning where and how to promote products and actually how to be successful with affiliate marketing, you have to find that information somewhere else. Now, just to round everything up and my personal thoughts on Amazon's affiliate program, the affiliate program is really good, don't get me wrong. Obviously, like I mentioned, all of the pros about it and how you can benefit from being an affiliate with them. Because the commission structure is so low, only up to 10%, you do need large volumes to make any good amount of money every single month. Now, if you already do have a large online following or social media following, then you can jump into Amazon's affiliate program and it could do really well for you. It really all depends on where you are with your business, at which point you're at, right? Because if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing and you want to start making a decent amount of money every month as soon as possible, then because of those low commission structures that you get from Amazon, you might want to possibly look into promoting another program where you can actually get higher percentages as a commission, build your online following, and once you reach a point where you do actually have that big online presence or online following, then you can jump into Amazon's affiliate program, because then it will actually be worth your time. Now, I'm not saying that Amazon's affiliate program is not worth your time, but there just are a couple of things to remember. if you're just starting out with your business, you only have 180 days to make those 3 qualified sales. And by the way, a qualified sale means that it's not you purchasing through your own links, because those do not qualify. It has to be additional or external customers that you're bringing to Amazon, and they are purchasing through your affiliate links. And my final point, and this one I think is probably the most important of the summary, is that when you're starting affiliate marketing, whether it's something you're just going to be doing on the side or as a side hustle, or it's something that you want to grow into a full-time income where it replaces your current job, you can leave your 9-to-5 job and only focus on your online business. The fact of the matter is that it is an online business, and you do need some kind of training or guidance as to how to do it properly. As simple as it is, there are right and wrong ways to do affiliate marketing. A lot of people just join the program, get their links, spam it everywhere, and expect huge success from it. But unfortunately, that is not the way it works. In fact, if you're looking for a program that actually teaches you how to do affiliate marketing and how to grow your business into something huge and sustainable, we'll link it right at the top over here. And that is it. That's our list of pros and cons of Amazon's affiliate program. Now, I hope this video did give you the insight and information that you needed so that you can make a more informed decision about joining Amazon's affiliate program. If there's anything that we missed or you have any questions, remember to drop them in the comments and we'll be sure to get back to them. If you did find this video useful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to Purely Remote, because we are constantly going to be creating a lot more content in the future, bringing you more and more information so that you can find success online. Until next time, my name is Chad.